field to play, no turf to own, but dreams were real and hearts full grown. Kinloch rose from the dust and street, now hear the rhythm in every beat. Started with nothing, just passion and fight. No fancy ground, no floodlight night. Yet every ball they played with pride, with unity strong and hearts wide-eyed. Kinloch, Kinloch, the pride of the game. From shadows to glory, you carved your name. Bound by brotherhood, fueled by fire, your journey lifts the world up higher. Now the field is yours, let the battle begin. For every loss behind, there's 1,000 wins. With bat and ball and fearless aim, you're writing legends into this game. To Kinloch heroes, rise and shine. Your moment is here, your stars align. For every run, for every swing, we're with you, go win everything.